Have you ever wondered how a simple hairdryer could help you out on the job site? Today we're going to show you a simple process for how you can protect the ends of field cut wood members in exterior conditions. The items that you'll need will be the finish supplied by Ninewood, a stain if applicable, foam brushes, a rag, and a Ninewood supplied hairdryer or heat gun. If your project has a stain, you'll want to apply the Ninewood supplied stain to the ends of the wood members after they have been field cut. With the foam brush, apply the stain evenly on the ends and wipe the excess off with a rag. Wait about 15 minutes for the stain to completely dry. After your stain is dry, or if your job has a clear coat, you'll want to take a new foam brush and apply a single heavy coat of top coat to the material. Just as with stain, you'll want to take a clean rag and wipe off any excess finish off of the material. Once the top coat has been applied, hold the dryer or heat gun about 6 inches away for 2 minutes to ensure that the finish is completely dry. Once this step has been finished, your Ninewood products are ready to install in the ceiling. If you have any questions about this process or any other questions about your project, be sure to ask your Ninewood project manager or check out the Ninewood Learning Center for more videos like this one.